Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how you can use a eye control on your Windows 11. So if you decide or if you want to use the eye tracker on your Windows 11, like this device Tobii eye tracker or some device that install on your Windows system, you can try to enable configure it on Windows 11 by click on start icon and go to the settings. Here you can click on accessibility, scroll down, and there is eye control option under interaction. Here eye control, use your eyes to control your device and use text to speech to talk. Here you can plug in first, you can install first your device, and then in order to connect it you can turn this on. Connect an eye tracker to use eye control. Here when typing with eye control, only the English United States keyboard is layout is supported. So if you need the detail, you can click on this link, more info about eye control, and this is the privacy statement. Understand how Microsoft use your eye control data for what purposes. You need to learn this before you use the eye tracker on Windows 11 system. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.